Hey besties, welcome back. Day 22. I want to show you a move that I thought I would never be able to do. All of these moves pretty much require you to bend your knees. I personally have had bad knees since like high school. I'm not even going to tell you how long ago that was for me. But I remember thinking when I first started and seeing some other skaters out on the rink that this move was going to be completely impossible for me. I was never going to be able to do it, so I wouldn't even give it a second thought. Little did I know that skating actually improved my overall joint flexibility, and it's just a bonus that it's a total body workout head to toe. So if you're like me and you're thinking already off the bat that something is going to be impossible, maybe give it a try before you commit to never doing it again. And another bonus about this move is that it's actually half of what I like to use to practice falling. The cannonball. All a cannonball is when you bend all the way down, and I tell my students to hug their knees. That's literally it. You are going to want to start trying to get comfortable bending down lower and lower and lower. I have to make sure all of this is tight and engaged so that you don't lose your balance, and go straight down into the floor. It may seem impossible at first, but I promise you, just at least try it. And though you can practice that part of it stationary in a small space, it does help to be in a wider area so that you can gain some momentum and then bend down while you're rolling. Well, I'll demonstrate. I won't run into you, I promise. Get a little momentum and bend down. Some people like to grab their toe stops. The goal is to get your bottom to touch the back of your skates, or as far as it can go. And that's literally it, bestie. All we're gonna do is keep practicing that, and that's a perfect move for you to practice, especially when you're feeling unstable. Get grounded, go all the way down, and then you can pick a side to fall on if you are still unstable. And if you're a little bored with that and going forward, you can always try it going backward. And if you find yourself doing this move and you're turning either to your left or your right, pay very close attention to your edges. Remember edges we talked about in day 3? That's where they come into play. So you'll have to see and pay attention to where your weight is in your skates so that you can steer in the direction you want to go. If you like this video and you like this tutorial, show it some love and share with the bestie to join the challenge with us. I'm really looking forward to hearing your progress now that we're getting down to the end of the challenge. So make sure you share with me in the comments. And I will see you on the skate floor, bestie.